Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be creating a Halloween sweet treat mani using dip powders and decals from Nellie Belle's. But before we get into the awesome dip powders and decals from Nellie Belle's, we're going to do an accent nail here. That accent nail is going to be the one that we're going to add that sweet treat decal sheet to. So I want to go ahead and have like a white base on there. So I'm just going to do one dip of this white dip powder and I cured it for 30 seconds and I'm dusting off. So now we're going to get into the dip powders from Nellie Belle's. Now this is Reina and I like this color so much. It is perfect for Halloween. It's like this bright but yet has a little bit of darkness to this purple. It's super pretty and it's a really good color to have in your collection. It's a very buildable color as well. So we're going to do 2 nails of this beautiful Reina color and then we're going to get into a really fun foil dip powder called Spindle and it has the most beautiful color flakes in it, which remind me of like crushed candy. And I feel like this flake dip powder is really going to tie in this sweet treat decal sheet that we're going to be using today. So I can't believe we're already on day 6 of the 31 Days of Halloween series. We still have plenty of more Halloween manis to come, and we're even going to be doing some more Nellie Belle manis. So if you are new to this series, welcome. I am doing 31 Days of Halloween here on my channel, and I am doing an epic giveaway at the end of this series as well. So how do you enter in the giveaway? So each video is an entry. There's going to be a random image that is Halloween related that is going to pop up anywhere in the video, and that is going to be the image you need to remember to enter in the giveaway. So at the end of the video, click on that description box below. There is a Google entry form. You're going to click on that link. You're going to fill in your name and your email address, and then there's going to be a multiple choice question on which spooky Halloween image did you see pop up in today's video. You're going to select it and then hit submit, and then that is going to be your entry for the giveaway. So technically you can enter 31 different times because there is going to be 31 videos in this series, and then at the end we're going to spin a wheel, and right now I have 9 companies participating in this giveaway. It's going to be really fun and someone's going to win a grand prize of all the goodies from the company. So it's going to be like your own little nail trick or treat bag. So super fun. So excited. Okay, so now we are dipping into this gorgeous, beautiful, one of a kind foil dip powder. This is everything. It is flakes, but it looks like almost like shattered glass and shards, and it has greens, magentas, purples, greens, silvers. I already said greens. I'm really excited about this dip powder. If you couldn't tell, it also has some golds in here. It is like the perfect Halloween accent nail, and I love this color so much. I love the name of it and the consistency of these like flakes. They are laying super flat, so even though they're irregular shaped and they look like shards of glass, they are laying super flat to the nail, and I really like how this looks. It's giving me like all those Candy Crush vibes, and I'm totally loving it. All right, so let's dive into this mani here, and then I'm gonna pop back in just a little bit. So now we're getting into this sweet treat nail wrap. So what I did is I did a layer of gel base and I cured that for 30 seconds. Curing a layer of gel base on that nail that you're going to be applying the decal or nail wrap to is going to give that nail a little bit of a tacky, sticky surface, which is going to help that decal or nail wrap really adhere to that nail. So I'm using a jelly stamper and we have that nail wrap on the nail. Now we have a lot of extra hanging off, so I'm going to carefully trim away just the parts that are on that free edge in the cuticle line area, and then I'm going to use this flat brush that has a little bit of acetone in it. Now when you are doing this, you just want to make sure that you're being extra careful, because what's happening right now is you are gently melting away that extra decal or nail wrap, so you're just shaping it to that nail. So just be really careful when you are doing this so you do not go ahead and take off too much of that nail wrap or decal. And again, if it's your first time trying a nail wrap or decal, you can always try one on a swatch stick first, but this is the way that I like applying my nail wraps or decals. I do a lot here on my channel, so if you are looking for more videos on how to apply these nail wraps, I'll link another one in the cards as well, where we used a Nellie Belle's nail wrap, but they're so awesome and they're really easy to use. So then to seal this in, I'm going to go ahead and do a layer of gel base all over the entire nails and really make sure I'm capping that free edge, and then we'll go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds. When working with nail wraps, I always like to go ahead and apply that gel base right on that decal or nail wrap right away, just to ensure that there's no lifting or anything like that. And then you can go ahead and apply that gel base on your other nails. And that's what we're doing right now. We're just finishing up this mani with a layer of gel base coat. I cured everything for 30 seconds, and now I'm going to finish up and do a layer of gel top coat. Now the gel products that I'm using today are HEMA free. And here's the finished mani. Now tell me this doesn't remind you of like candy and sweet treats, especially. I mean, obviously it does with that decal that we used today, but Spindle is just like giving me like crushed candy vibes, and I'm totally loving it paired with Reina. Such a fun mani, and I really love how this turned out. There's just something about these colors, and then the vibrancy of those flakes that you see here in Spindle is just everything. I cannot believe how vibrant those flakies are, and those flakes did not bleed or anything like that with the gel method. They stayed true to color, and that nail wrap decal was, it was super easy to work with. But overall, I just love how this turned out, and I think it was just like super fun to kind of do something a little bit different today, right? So we did something a little bit cute, not so spooky, right? We did a little bit of the Halloween treat side of spooky season. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below. Don't forget to fill out your Google form for the giveaway entry, and I will see you all in the next spooky upload.